What's going on, family? So I'm at a house in OKC, about to make a structural staircase for their apartment that's on the top up here. There's no way to get to it without going through somebody's room, so we're gonna make it a little higher. But we can come through it this way. They're gonna have a double sliding door up there. So came here to buy some furniture, and now I'm about to do a.
I'm not sure, brother, on how tall that floor is going to be. I'm going to have to measure from the window down, I think, on the inside.
Okay, well, that can be, honestly, if you give me, if we could just get a roughly estimate, then I can just get a roundabout, and then we can get precise before we order anything. Because if you let me, if it'll be better, we can build everything on site. I can come out here, we can set everything out here, we can build everything. Cause you know, I'm new to the area, so I ain't got nowhere to build it. So I come out here and lay everything out, and that way you can see me do the steps, and we can just make everything perfect. We can make it just like you want to have it. You know what I mean? So that'll be easy. Okay, let's do it.